My seafood connection food. Hello.
Sorry,
I got my seafood connection food from Postmates. My first time trying Postmates. I always do it through Uber Eats. And I'm so geeked. I don't have to go to the place to go pick it up no more. Like, what? Hey YouTube, this is your girl Mzfancyy coming to you with another video. And if you read the title down below, then you already know this is this girl. Hey, your girl got some seafood. Y'all been wanting to get a video of this place forever, and so they just started doing deliveries via Postmates, Grubhub, and you can do like curbside. So I finally opened it up. So I ordered mine through Postmates. I was just so geeked about it, and they literally just delivered my stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I think they call this the lockjaw. This dish itself, this plate is called the lockjaw, but it's called Seafood Connection, and this was inside of the bag. I don't know if y'all can see it. And let me show you my food. I know y'all ready to see it, girl. I hope this is a good angle. So look at this deliciousness, y'all. This is some shrimp, some lobster, and you can get a sausage. Instead of a sausage, I substituted for corn. So I have 2 corns in there, and I'll show you guys that in a minute, and some potatoes. But look at that. Oh my goodness. And it's like loaded with some kind of butter sauce that they make. And if you hear noises and see people, my sister is over here to the right of me. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in to this deliciousness, y'all. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Look at this shrimp, y'all. This shrimp is huge. It's like nice big old sides. I couldn't wait to order this stuff. Especially when I found out they deliver to. What? And let me show y'all the corn too. Let me get some of that sauce. I'll get you guys. Oh, I wish y'all could see this sauce. It's like gushing out of this lobster. What? Girl, make one smack your mama. Mama, no. You wanna try these? Wanna try one? Look at this, the lobster. My mom in the background, if y'all hear her. Sometimes she might talk. She being very dramatic right now. Have anybody been to this place? It's here in Charlotte. And hold on, let me try this out first. It's very tender too, and it's seasoned well. Oh, y'all gave me 3 pieces of corn. Let me show you the corn. They gave me 3 pieces of corn.
delicious.
Look at the corn. Is it good?
What kind of flavor is that?
Well, I think they call it the lockjaw.
Oh yeah.
Because it comes with instead of crabs, you get shrimp and lobster. Okay, y'all hear my mom, it's good. But they used to be at one location, and then the owner decided to buy another location. Well, he shut down the old location to get another location. And honestly, the new location is in a great area, so he was smart for doing that. And plus, you needed more space, because this place stay packed. Like, when I tell you, it's stay packed, like, you don't wait. I know somebody that went, they said they waited 2 hours. But it's worth it. Because Charlotte don't really have that many seafood places like this that have fresh seafood. So, I have another one, smart one. I got plenty. Then I got extra corn. A little bit of extra corn. You got potatoes.
This don't make no darn sense, Santa. This showing us good.
You want one, Mia? I know you like seafood too.
Yeah, this is off the chain.
And here's the potato. Ooh, drop. Here's the potato. This is just a piece of it, but they're pretty big. Look at this one potato, y'all. And the butter sauce is at the bottom. I'm gonna show y'all butter sauce in a minute.
That was the best shrimp I had forever.
Wow.
I don't know what kind of flavor and taste, how they do that. But that's the vibe. Nice. So good.
Y'all know me, I don't do long videos, by the way, so this is gonna be an extremely short video.
That's delicious.
Thank y'all for all the new subscribers that has joined my channel. Welcome to my channel, girl. You will not be disappointed, okay? Let me see, get some of that sauce on here. Go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Comment down below and tell me what your thoughts of this video and this food. And go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I'm gonna try that crawfish next. I'm gonna try their fried seafood. I'm gonna try the fried seafood next, actually. Cause they fry the lobster tails.
Oh, yeah.
I think they're fried whatever you want. I think it's just $3 more or something.
Good gracious.
Look at that corn, y'all. It's good. Oh yeah. Sorry for not talking, but y'all, this is so good. You know how food be so good you can't talk. And I got on braces, so everything just stuck on my teeth. I don't care, it's good. It's corn, it's sweet.
Well, I tasted on the shrimp. Sure. Yeah.
So good, y'all. Anyways, y'all know I'm about to tear this up.
Tear it up.
Again, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Let me show y'all the sauce. Look at that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.
Again, that's amazing.